Hello and Assalamualaikum guys. Today we're gonna show you 5 places that are interesting in this campus UiTM Cawangan. Before that, I want to introduce my team members, which are Nur Atira Anis, Nur Aliana, Nur Rafika, Siti Alia Aisyah, and one Nur Kamilia. UiTM Cawangan also have a place where there are various faculties for students known as Student Center. At the Student Center, there are ATM, mini-marts, theater room, and so on. Students can hang out or even study at the stone chair provided here in front of Kumar. Now we want to show you around the sports complex. There are many courts here, which a handball court and a soccer court. Most of the students spend their time here in the evening. They are free to play whatever they want until 7 p.m. Let me tell you about PI. PI stands for Pusat Islam. Pusat Islam, or Student Center, is located inside the campus, and it is a stone's throw away from faculties and colleges. This is easy for Muslim students to perform prayer on time. The students can also recite Al-Quran at Islamic Center because a lot of Al-Quran are provided. Next place is Tengku Anis Library, which is known as a PTA. Before entering the library, all students need to access their student ID using the computer that provided in the library. There are many facilities at the library, such as lockers, computers, and study room. Also, there is Wi-Fi connection provided for students to access the internet to do their assignment. At PTA, students can use the computers to find any information or do other works for free. Besides, the students can also sit and relax while reading the newspaper, which are provided at the newspaper section. As we can see that in this library, there are also a lot of books about core subjects. lastly, we're going to tell you about HEA, which stands for Academic Management Unit. For your information, this unit will solve any student's problem, especially about academic, study, and so on.